Starting your chicken farming journey can be exciting, but even the smallest mistakes can lead to big headaches. We reveal the top 5 mistakes every new farmer makes and provide practical solutions to ensure your chickens stay happy and healthy. Each tip is packed with actionable advice and real-life insights that will save you time, stress, and money. Stick around until the end, because the final mistake might just surprise you. Hey there, fellow chicken enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Whether you're new to chicken farming or you've been at it for a little while, there are always things we can learn. Today, we're talking about the top 5 mistakes new chicken farmers make, and most importantly, how you can avoid them. So, if you want healthy, happy chickens and lots of fresh eggs, stick around because this video is going to save you a lot of headaches down the road. Mistake number 1 is not providing enough clean water. It sounds simple, right? But you'd be surprised how easy it is to overlook this. Chickens need access to clean, fresh water all day, especially during hot weather. Dehydration can seriously affect their health and their egg production. Sometimes, people think that just filling up the water once a day is enough, but chickens drink more than you'd expect. Plus, they can knock over their water containers, or it can get dirty real quick. So, what's the fix? Make sure you're using a water system that's easy to refill and hard to tip over. And hey, why not go for an automatic waterer? They're affordable, sustainable, and will save you a ton of time. Mistake number 2 is overcrowding your coop. Now, I get it, when you're first starting, it's tempting to get as many chickens as possible. You want all the eggs, right? But trust me, overcrowding is a big mistake that can lead to stress, pecking, and even disease. Chickens need space to move around and do their chicken things, like foraging and dust bathing. The general rule is about 4 square feet per chicken inside the coop and 10 square feet per chicken in the outdoor run. If they're cramped, it leads to unhappy chickens, and unhappy chickens means fewer eggs. So make sure your coop is the right size for the number of chickens you have. If you're tight on space, consider free-ranging them in your yard or using movable chicken tractors. Not only does this give them space, but they also help you with pest control and fertilizing your garden. Mistake number 3 is all about feeding. Specifically, feeding the wrong diet. I know, it's easy to just grab any bag of chicken feed from the store, but different chickens have different dietary needs. For example, young chicks need a feed that's high in protein to grow, while laying hens need calcium for strong eggshells. If you're feeding your laying hens the same food as your baby chicks, you're going to run into problems. Weak eggs, poor health, it's just not good. So, what's the solution? Always use feed specifically designed for your chicken's age and purpose. You can even add kitchen scraps like leafy greens and veggies, but avoid things like raw potatoes and avocado, they're toxic to chickens. Want to go the extra mile? Grow your own sustainable chicken feed. Planting things like sunflowers, corn, and peas is easy, and your chickens will love it. Okay, let's talk about coop cleanliness, mistake number 4. I know, no one likes cleaning, but keeping your coop clean is crucial for your chicken's health. A dirty coop can lead to parasites, respiratory issues, and just overall unhappy birds. You don't need to clean it every single day, but regular maintenance is key. Once a week, remove old bedding, clean out the nesting boxes, and give the floors a good sweep. Use materials like straw or wood shavings that are easy to replace and compostable. A clean coop means healthy chickens, and healthy chickens mean more eggs for you. Plus, the old bedding and manure make excellent compost for your vegetable garden. Now, before we hit mistake number 5, let's take a little detour. I want to show you some sustainable vegetables that are not only easy to grow but also great for your chickens. First up, we have kale and spinach. These leafy greens are packed with vitamins that chickens love, and they're super easy to grow in any garden. Plus, they're cold hardy, so you can plant them early in the season. Next, corn. Chickens go crazy for corn. It's an excellent energy source and grows easily in warm weather. You can feed it fresh or dried for them to peck at. And don't forget about squash and pumpkins. Not only are they easy to grow, but they store well, and chickens enjoy eating the seeds, which are a natural dewormer. Alright, mistake number 5 is a big one: not securing your coop properly. Predators are smarter than you think, and they'll find any weak point in your setup. Raccoons, foxes, even stray dogs can break into a poorly built coop. A lot of new farmers think that just closing the door is enough, but trust me, you need to go the extra mile. Reinforce your coop with strong locks, bury wire mesh around the perimeter, and make sure there are no gaps or holes. A predator-proof coop means your chickens are safe, and you can sleep soundly at night. And hey, consider installing an automatic coop door. It's one of the best investments I've made for my flock. So there you have it, folks. The top 5 mistakes new chicken farmers make and how to avoid them. Remember, farming is a learning process, and making mistakes is part of the journey. But if you follow these tips, you'll be well on your way to having a happy, healthy flock and a thriving, sustainable farm. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow farmers, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on sustainable farming. Leave a comment below about your chicken farming experiences. I'd love to hear them. Until next time, keep those chickens clucking and those gardens growing. See you soon.